Yes, I listened to you, I heard you, and this specific video is to all those individuals who's been commenting on my videos who wanted to know more about PAMM trading. What is PAMM trading? How does it work? And how do I get started? Well, hi there. My name is Aaron Mueller. I'm also the founder of, let me quickly share with you, empiredigest.com. It is the first link in the description below this video should you want to see what it is that I do on a daily basis to create passive income that pays me anywhere from $447 up to $1,000 per sale. Now, side note, I want to get back to PAMM trading. I want to share with you in this video, I want you to pay very close attention because I'm going to go into detail as to what is PAMM trading, how does PAMM trading work, how do you create yourself an account, how do you open an account, and then at the same time, what should you pay attention to? What should you look for before actually putting your money into an investment account and then selecting a PAMM master? You've got you watching this video. If you want to become a PAMM trader, you want to follow, you will become a PAMM follower, and then you get a PAMM master. I've been doing this for quite some time. I'm going to share just one of my accounts with you that I have been testing for just over a year now. It's actually 1 year, 8 months before I decide to put in a lot of money into only that account. I'm just going to share one account with you because you get individuals that will watch this video and they will literally copy everything that I'm doing. I don't want you to copy me. I want you to model me. I want you to dig your own well, find your own way of succeeding by literally just modeling me. Don't copy me. So I'm going to share two profiles with you of PAMM traders. I've got nothing against them. It's just that I use them for example purposes, and both of them has got good results. One of them is one PAMM master that I'm personally following myself, and the other one is just a guy that I just pulled him up from our list of PAMM masters just in order to do this introduction video. In actual fact, I'm giving him free exposure. Okay, so on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please pause this video, take some time, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, while you are watching this video, I cannot guarantee any of your success or that you will succeed with anything. I'm not a financial advisor, broker, licensed of anything. I'm not licensed of any sort. So yes, what I'm doing is just my own personal opinion, and I'm sharing with you based on what you guys have asked me to share with you. Now, okay, so what is PAMM? Here's a nice little example. And in actual fact, my broker that I use, and I've been using this broker since the year 2015, is FXopen. Right here, you can see FXopen. Let me quickly share with you, if you are interested, how you can get hold of FXopen. In actual fact, I will also leave the FXopen broker link in the description below this video. So it will be the second link in the description of this video. But what you can do is you can literally click the first link in the description. It will bring you over to empiredigest.com. Like I said, I'm the owner and founder. This is what I do to create passive income. You want to scroll to the bottom, click on the Forex tab. And then once on the Forex tab, you then want to go scroll down. You want to look for where it says Forex Trading Brokers. Click the Learn More button. And then once you're on the Forex Brokers tab, you can then just go ahead and click the Access Now button, which will take you over directly with FXopen. You can create yourself an account, a PAMM follower account. Okay, so bear with me. Let's get into it. Okay, you can also click the second link in the description. So what is a PAMM follower? So what you want to do is, here's a nice little example of it. I actually took it off of the FXopen website just to show you guys what it is. So what you're going to do is you're first going to create yourself an account with FXopen. Okay, so let me open up the broker quickly. Okay, so this is FXopen, my broker that I've been using since 2015. You first want to create yourself an account with FXopen. Very important. My account, you want to click the sign up button right here. So after you click this button right here, you then want to go ahead and click the sign up now button, or you can find the link in the description. You then want to go, as you can see, I am from South Africa. It automatically pulled up my country where I am originating, and then you can just follow along and create yourself an account with FXopen. Now, next thing you want to keep in mind is after you've created your account, you then want to go ahead and you want to create yourself a wallet. It's called an e-wallet. It all happens within the broker. You create yourself an e-wallet because you're then going to go and you're going to deposit. Here you can see the cards. You see MasterCard, Visa. These are cryptocurrencies, or you can do a wire transfer. So after you've created your account, you then want to go ahead and you want to make a deposit into your e-wallet, your electronic wallet, okay, within FXopen. So once the funds are within your electronic wallet, you are then going to go ahead and create yourself an investment account. Also in the back end, create yourself an investment account. I'm going to pause this video for just a second. I quickly want to open up my back office and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I just paused this video because I needed to open up a few of my personal things related to my broker, because there's a lot of things that I really don't want to share with you, personal information, because there is some dodgy people out there. So this is what your back office looks like. As you can see, this is me, Gene Errol Mueller. That's my other name, Gene. In actual fact, my first name. Now, what I'm talking about is you then going to, so firstly, you'll have your e-wallet. You've made deposits into your e-wallet. You will then create yourself an investment account. So I cannot open my investment account because it's going to pull up all my accounts and personal information. But in that case, you will have an investment account on the left-hand side that looks like this. You can click the plus button. And then what you want to do is you're then going to transfer money from your e-wallet into your investment account. Okay, I want you to bear with me. Let's go back to this page right here. Not this one, yeah. Okay, so you're then going to transfer money from your e-wallet into your investment account. Okay, then you can see another little arrow that says Open PAMM 1 or Join PAMM 2, Assign Funds, etc. So in your case, you want to then go ahead. So you've created your e-wallet, you've made a deposit, you're then going to transfer that money into your investment account, because that's where the PAMM master, you will become a PAMM follower. Your PAMM master will then go withdraw the funds from your, because you have to assign him to trade on your behalf. It's very similar to copy trading, but he's then going to go, you assign the funds to him. You're literally handing the funds over to him within FXopen, within the broker, and then he goes and he trades on your behalf. Now, I love doing this. I've been doing this for quite some time, and I've been talking about this in all my videos. I don't do Forex trading robots anymore. I love reviewing them because there's a lot of individuals out there who does not know what to look for when it comes to Forex trading robots. They just purchase anything and they lose a lot of money. Nothing wrong with Forex trading robots. I just love PAMM trading, and it frees up a lot more of my time. I don't have to have VPS services, internet, good quality internet, and all of those things that goes with a Forex trading robot. But you can still, bear with me, listen to me, you can still make a lot of money with Forex trading robots. You just need to know what to look for. In actual fact, on the top right hand side, if this is the first time you are watching any one of my videos, you're more than welcome to watch those videos where I go into detail with the Forex trading robots. And if you haven't done it yet, please give this video a like, subscribe to this profile. I'd really appreciate that. And if you want to, you're more than welcome to leave me a comment. Okay, so after you've opened your investment account, you will then open a PAMM account, a PAMM follower account, and then you will then join a certain trader. You assign him, and then he pulls the funds and he starts trading on your behalf. Now, next screen, I've opened up this account right here. This is one of my personal accounts. As you can see, I am a follower. It's a follower account. It's just one of my accounts. It's a small account. It's an account that I'm testing, and I just wanted to share. I'm actually using this account as an example. Okay, now right here at the bottom here will be a section that's going to be blurred out because it's my customer account number. I don't want to share that with you, but in actual fact, you can see that I am still logged in and I can share the rest of it with you. So in this case, this account is the Pandorum small account. Now this guy or this specific trader has got different assignments. So this is a small assignment, and then if you hover over him, you will actually also see his assignment fee. So I want to talk about this for a little while. You will see a performance fee of 35%. There is no master commission, and there is no minimum performance constraint, no assignment, etc., etc. Then there's an agent commission, and then there's an initial assignment. That initial assignment, that is the amount that is required for you in order for what you need to deposit, if I can put it like that. So in this case, you can start with a $1 account. You can invest $1 and he will trade on your behalf with $1. Now, I don't recommend that. Guys, if you want to do it proper. Invest $1,000 plus if you really, really want to see some results with this. Now, like I said, this is just a It's a real account. I'm trading. I'm literally invested in this trader, but with a small amount because I'm testing him, and I've been invested in him with for 1 year and 8 months. Okay, so I'm going to use him as an example. Okay, so his minimum initial assignment is $1. Please don't copy me. Just follow me. Model me, but don't copy me. Don't do everything that I'm doing. I'm just sharing this with you. I want you to dig your own well, create your own resources. Okay, so next, on the right hand side, you will see balance right here, balance. So far, my balance is sitting at $719.10. My total gain was 122% and 2 cents in 1 year, 8 months. Now, keeping in mind, there's a fee right here. You can see that's the only side effect of trading with PAMM followers is they've got high fees. Unfortunately, it is what it is. You cannot get away from it. So in this case, the performance fee is 35%. So out of all the profit, so if it's a loss, he doesn't take a fee. There is no fee. Some guys have got like a master's commission. For every trade, you will see there it's performance fee and master commission. Now, some traders will take a master commission as well off of every single trade. In this case, this guy doesn't. He just takes a performance fee, and the performance fee is only on the profit. So in actual fact, if you make $100 profit within a trade, depending on the amount that you deposited in your investment account and you've assigned him to trade with, if you assigned him to trade with $1,000 or $10,000 and he's generated, for example, $1,000 commission, you will then take a 35% performance fee, of which a certain percentage of that goes to the broker, to FXopen, and a certain percentage goes to the trader. Now, 35% of $1,000 is a lot. It's $350. So yes, the fees are high. You can weigh it up for yourself. What do you want to do? Do you want to do Forex trading robots or PAMM trading? Now, but myself, I like to free up my time. I rather do PAMM trading because I'm at that point in time in my career where I can do it. I've been through the rest of the things, Forex trading robots, trading myself, selling my own courses, etc. It's just that this is what I prefer doing now. Okay, and there's guys with lower performance fees depending on the amounts that you deposit. And I know what I'm talking about. If you deposit over $10,000 with some of these guys, your performance fee is a lot lower, up to about 15%. Instead of paying 35%, you only pay 15%. There's one other guy that's my second, or not my second, it's one of my other profiles that I want to invest in, just as a point of interest to you. He requires $100,000 and his performance fee, if I remember correctly, was something like 5%. So I'm moving towards that direction. Okay. Okay. So that's what I wanted to share with you regarding the performance fee, the total gain, and then so far for this year, which is the year 2024, it's the month of May. I've generated, or my gain so far on this account is 18.8%. So literally within from my 5 months, I've already seen a gain on my account of 18.8%. Now, I don't know if that means a lot to you, but if you want to, more than welcome to go Google any investment with any type of bank or mutual fund or financial advisor, and I want to see what returns they are going to give you within within 1 year versus what you can get with PAMM trading and Forex trading robots. There's a massive opportunity to make a lot of money with these things. I cannot guarantee anything. I'm just telling you the way it is. Okay, so this is the account that I've invested in. In actual fact, I started this investment back in September 27th, the year 2022, and in actual fact we are now in the year 2024, the month of May, and there we can see 122% and or call it 122% gain. Now the balance currently is 719%, 10 cents. My net assignment, I want to explain something to you and I want you to listen very carefully. My net assignment with the deposits that I've made into this account, a total net assignment is $436. So that's my own capital that I've given to this PAMM master to trade on my behalf, a total of $436. Now you might start thinking, okay, but Errol, if I had a 122% gain, then surely I should be sitting at just over $900 in my balance. You're 100% correct. Now, off of that, that's where the performance fee and master's commission comes into play. So yes, I could have had over $900 with 122% gain, but unfortunately I won't, because I have to pay a performance fee with this guy. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Okay, so otherwise I would have had more. Okay, but in actual fact, so far in just 1 year, 8 months, I've had 122% gain. Now, if you want to calculate the pure gain, it is just over 60% in 8 months. In 1 year, 8 months. In actual fact, you can do it. It's very easy. You take this amount, $436, divided by $719.10 times 100. Then you will see it gives you just over 60% gain in 1 year, 8 months. It's still a lot of money. It's still a massive gain for an investment in 1 year, 8 months. Now, imagine you had $100,000 invested. What would a 60% gain do for you on $100,000 deposit? Just as an example. Okay, and what are your banks giving you? What are your financial advisors giving you? What's the stock market giving you? So yes, there's many ways of making money online. And like I said, what I do is as passive income, where I generate a lot of money, $447 per sale to over $1,000 per sale, and I do it right throughout the month. It's the first link in the description of this video. Then I use that passive income, and I do investments like this, invest into PAMM trading. I invest in other forex trading things, and I've got multiple sources of income that runs for me, and I believe in having multiple sources of income, and that is what I'm saying. Rather build up passive income first. Once your passive income is going, then you start doing investments, etc., etc. Okay. Once again, I cannot guarantee anything. Read the disclaimer. Now, equity, not too worried about the equity and not too worried about the profit. In actual fact, you can see the profit right there of $438.29. I just want to see something. Yes, see closely, 400, because the net assignment's 436, and my amount of profit that I've generated so far is $438.29. Crazy. But now off of the profit, you have to deduct all the fees, like I explained with you. Okay, so to answer your next question. Okay, so this is the specific trader, which is Pandorum. And if you want to join him, you will then go. So after you've made your deposit into the e-wallet, into the investment account, you've opened up a PAMM follower account, and now you are ready to get started. Let's say you, for example, like this guy, Pandorum, you want to start trading with him. You will then go and you will start the assign. You will click on the assign button. That's where you assign him as a trader. I'm also going to show you another way of doing it. Okay, I've opened up another profile. This guy is called Joshua, whatever his name is, but just as an example, because I want to use him in order to show you some statistics. So first thing that you want to pay attention to is the amount of years that an individual has been trading for. Now, in this case, you can have a look at the summary if you wanted to, and then you can see these are all the pairs that he trades. He trades the USD JPY, USD CAD, and you can see the total trades versus the gain that is gained with these specific pairs. USD JPY at the biggest gain of 96.77%. But then you can click along literally and see all the currencies that he currently is trading, okay, or that he's traded before. Okay, you can see the duration as well as to how long the trades stay open for on average. In this case, you can see the duration. They calculate it into seconds. I don't like seconds unless he's a scalp trader, where he literally opens and closes trades very quickly, or he's a news trader, which is also possible, because you can see it works on seconds, 16 seconds and something. Okay, weekly gain. You can see his weekly gains. Literally, you can go week by week by week, as from the year 2019, and then you can have a look at his weekly gains. Very important, you can see that he started trading back in the year 2020, of which he returned that year in a minus 1.8%. The following year, which was the year 2021, he had a gain of 121% for the year, which is extremely good. It's phenomenally good. The year 2022, he had 115% gain. Phenomenally good. The year 2023, he had 105% gain. That's really good. The year 2024, the month of May, so far, he's sitting at a 15.92% gain. That is good. That's really not bad. So just to share that with you. So once again, very important, my recommendation, if you are looking at investing in a PAMM master, rather look for a PAMM master that's got results of anywhere between 2, I would say 3 years. 3 years is like a safe zone for me. 3 years and upwards. If a trader's got 3 years and upwards worth of trading history, his return percentages are looking good, then yes, you are more than welcome to look into investing into him, or just using him as an investment, okay, as a PAMM master. Okay, next, in this case, what I also want to show you next is the general tab. You can see login, Joshua, PAM, ECN, created, etc. Master capital, $5,000. Don't worry about this. The leverage is 1 to 100. In actual fact, I want to show you the stats. Okay, so on average, the gain so far, he's gained 9,034% so far. His average, where are we? Max daily, not daily, max draw. That's what I want to show you. The maximum drawdown. His highest drawdown was 51.35%. That is high. That is phenomenally high. So he's willing to risk about 51% of his capital within his trades. That is a little bit high. It's too high for me, too high to my liking. But I just want to show you. And then his rate of return is 7.5%, meaning he's got a return of about 7. So every trade he takes, he can return that for you 7.5% on average. Okay. Next, you can also look at the drawdown right here. This is his drawdowns. In this case, this specific date, he had the highest drawdown of about 50. I can't open. Let's see if I can open just that section. There we go. He had a 51.35% drawdown in the month of June. 18th of June. So I want to go back, and that was in the year, it was in the year 2021. That is quite a high drawdown. Here you can see the profit that is accumulated so far over the years right there. This is the light orange line. In actual fact, he's accumulated so far in profit just over $37 in profit. And that is how you read a specific trader. So how do you join this trader? So let's say you like this trader, you want to invest in this trader, and you want him to trade on your behalf. You will then go and you will click the join button. Once you've clicked the join button, it will bring you over. Let's click the join button. You click join. It will then bring you over to his account where you can join him. He will give you the different types of options here at the bottom. In actual fact, he's only got one account where you can join, and he's got a performance fee of 40%. He's got a master's commission of another 5%. So he's quite expensive. This guy's really expensive. And his initial assignment is $1,000 and more. So I personally would not invest into this trader. His drawdown is too high. He's got a very good curve, a very good growth curve. Nothing wrong with that. But I still feel, look at this guy. Very good growth. But that is high. I mean, you on your initial trade, you're going to have to pay a 40% performance fee on every trade, 5% master's commission. That is like 45%. Take it 45% off of your profits every single time. That is high. And if it's a loss, you still have to pay him a 5% master's commission. So if you want to, you can join him. You just click the join button, and then you will get your options in order to join him. So hopefully what I've shared with you makes sense. My recommendation, once more, is click the first link in the description, which will bring you over to this page right here. Rather build up passive income first. Find a way to create passive income, build passive income, and then you start looking into things like investing. If you have any other questions regarding PAMM trading, I know I've talked a lot, but I want you to just consume this information. Watch it for 2-3 times. I would highly suggest you watch this video about 3 times in order to really understand what it is that you're looking at. And then, yes, if you have any other questions, please leave me a comment below this video. Hopefully this video helped you and made a lot of sense, and it will help you in the future when it comes to looking at Forex PAMM trading. I appreciate you. May you watching this video be blessed with a wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful, good life going forward, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.